Hello guys,
Eska here.
and you know what time it is?
Tutorial.
Time and gone.
But what kind of tutorial? Today we will make shake. Something like this. But before that, let's add some music. Here, I already added a Twixter scene. Now, add motion tile to all clips. Let's start making shake from this clip. First make a null layer. And parent clip to null layer. Now, open position and rotation. Press P and Shift plus R. Make key on, one frame from the clip. Change the numbers like this. Now go to marking and go back 8 frames, and change the number. Back to mark, and move 6 frames. Go to next mark, and back 3 frames. Select all keyframes, and easy ease by pressing F9. Add a black bar. Here I'm using the motion tile. Increase the scale. For me, I use 130. Now for the transition. I think you already know, so I don't need to explain too much. We done with shake. But it seems less impact, so let's add another shake. Add transform effect. Turn on position. Go mark and move back 3 frames. Now move 11 keyframe. We done. Congrats. Now just copy shake keyframe, and paste to another clip. Well, I'm lazy to do this last part. But you know how it turned out. And good job! Today's tutorial is complete. Easy. Isn't it? That's all for today. Stay tuned on this channel, because there will be lots of tutorials that I upload here. Bye bye.